Hi, in today's video we'll discuss how to get a USDA mortgage. Stay tuned until the end to learn how to do this and more. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can secure a USDA mortgage. The first step is to pre-qualify with an approved USDA lender. Find a USDA-approved lender who will discuss with you how much you can afford. During this process, you'll get an initial idea of your eligibility and the potential loan amount based on your financial situation. The second step is obtaining pre-approval. You'll need to provide detailed information such as your expenses, income, debts, and assets to the mortgage lender. The lender will then establish your debt-to-income DTI ratio and verify the amount you can borrow relative to the new home's purchase price. This pre-approval process gives you a clearer picture of your borrowing capacity and helps streamline your home search. After receiving pre-approval, the next step is to locate a USDA-approved home. You'll need to find a property that meets USDA home loan standards. Once you find a suitable home, you will be required to make an offer. Work closely with both your lender and real estate agent to submit a competitive offer. If the seller accepts your offer, you will need to sign a purchase agreement. This agreement formalizes the terms of the sale and allows you to move forward with the next steps. After making the offer, the underwriting process begins. During underwriting, an underwriter and your lender will ensure that you meet all qualification standards and verify all the provided information. Finally, you reach the closing stage. During closing, you'll verify closing cost funds, sign the final loan documents, and prepare to receive the keys to your new property. At this point, you will have completed the process of securing a USDA mortgage and can move into your new home. So there you have it. Follow these steps to get a USDA mortgage. Thanks for watching, and until next time.